Hello everyone, it is your girl Juliana, aka Life is Juliana, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, be sure that you have subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you always know when I upload a brand new video. So today I'm showing you what I did to my half bath slash powder room slash guest bathroom on my lower level. I'm going to show you the simple things that I use for this decor. Very cheap and affordable. So let's get started. Now this wall decor on the wall are just things that I found in Dollar Tree, and I glued them all together. And most of the things that I put stacked here were things from the Dollar Tree and findings that I found from Goodwill. Now over here on this wall, I wanted to put a flower wall on this side of the bathroom. So I went into the Dollar Tree and I found some what do you call it, bridal petals. They have them in white and red, and I used that to create that on the wall. And then on the toilet right there, the tank, I found that vase in Goodwill. Now as you can see on the other side of the wall, I do have a clock, and I did find that clock in a department store here in Atlanta, and it's beautiful. It is, when I tell you it's beautiful, that clock on the wall is amazing, honey, amazing. I love it. And it comes in different styles, but I fell in love with this one. I just love the crystal that was all embroidered over every section of. Listen, I love this thing, and it draws attention. It is a showstopper when I have guests that comes in and use this powder room. You hear me? Now these towels are the towels that I grabbed from Walmart, and then I just kind of decorated it. I found this in, where did I find that? I found it in Goodwill, and it just ties in really well. Now the candle stand here, crystal candle stand, I found that in Goodwill, and it was only $4.99. I kid you not. Beautiful. And the candles are from Goodwill. Now I had to have a trash basket that went with the wall decor. So I bought this from the Dollar Tree, and then all I did was just decorate it just like I did the flower wall painting, just to make sure that it did match. Okay, yes honey, I had to have my trash basket identical to my flower wall. And then I went to the department store and picked up that right there for the toilet. And another view that you'll see when you walk in, like I said before, all these items right here that I use, these are just $1 in the Dollar Tree, and they are $1 as well. And I think it's so cute. It is so adorable, the things that you could do for your space. The powder room is not a very big powder room, so I wanted it to feel bigger than it actually was, so it really tied up really well. Now this toilet paper holder, I did buy that in the Dollar General, and that was only $9.99, and it worked perfectly. And then the stand for the toilet, for the paper towel, that was from the Dollar Tree. And then the vase right there is a DIY project, and I did put that color in the bathroom. Even though the bathroom was black and white, I wanted the vase not to be black and white, so I definitely created this vase for this particular space. And I just wanted to have a boost of color, a pop of color that is totally different from the black and white theme that I had going on, and it looked fabulous. Everything else right there is from the department store here in Atlanta. But yes, I really love this vase. I'm going to be using this vase for a tablescape, and that is going to be coming up soon because I love the vase. The vase are really nice. But yeah, everything else right here was just mellow and quiet, and that's how I wanted it to be. Now let's talk about this rug here. I only paid, what did I pay for this rug? I think I paid $5 $5.99 for this rug, and I bought this rug in that same department store here in Atlanta. They have all kinds of rugs there, and they are really, because you know I love me a bargain, honey. So a lot of my rugs that I use, like the rugs in my kitchen, I get them from this store because they have good quality household stuff there, and the price is right, and it did blend in really well with the theme of this bathroom here. You can see the view from a distance, how it looks beautiful. I just love that flower wall. I love it. And I did show you guys this little painting, right? It's not painting, I like a wall decor thing. I've showed it to you. I bought it in Bial's, yes, outlet. I did show it to you in a haul that I did earlier. If you didn't see that haul, I will list that haul down below, but that is where I bought that, and I only paid $4.99 for it. And then the vase, I don't know if I told you earlier, but the vase was a Goodwill finding, and that was only 50 cents. 50 cents or 59 cents, I think I paid for it in Goodwill. But yes, cheap, I tell you. The clock was $14.99. It was $19.99, but they marked it down to $14.99. And of course, the girl is a shopper on a budget, so I got it for that. This I love how this flower wall came out way cheaper than I thought it was going to be, right? But anyhow, that's it for now. Give your girl a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see me doing more like this, and remember to subscribe and share the love with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.